So I'd like to get Anand garu to speak because he is very silent and stuff. సో సార్ మీ రోల్ గురించి ఈ సినిమాలో మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఇంతకు ముందు వీ హావ్ సీన్ యూ, కానీ ఈ సినిమాలో మీ రోల్ ఫుల్ ఫ్లెజెడ్ గా ఉండబోతుంది అండ్ పోస్టర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ లో కూడా వీ కెన్ సీ యూ. సో మీ రోల్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది, ఏంటి మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏంటి రోల్ చేయడం?
It's very path-breaking film, I would say, and very exciting project. And wonderful team we had. Chaitanya, Payal, Veena Sundar, myself and other crew. Really a dedicated team. And this particular character is very different what I did earlier. అంతకుముందు చేసిన క్యారెక్టర్స్ కంటే చాలా డిఫరెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇది. దిస్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఎంగేజింగ్ అండ్ చాలా ఒక హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. కానీ ఆయనకి ఏం కావాలో దయాల్పద్మనాభన్ ఆయన తీసుకున్నారు. ఆ క్యారెక్టర్కి ఎక్కడ ఎట్లా ఏం కావాలో పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఆయన తీసుకున్నారు. ఫిల్మ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటింగ్ ఫిల్మ్. ఇది చాలా మంచి ఫిల్మ్ ఇది అండ్ చాలా తక్కువ టైంలో ఫినిష్ చేశారు. దట్ ఈస్ ద గ్రేట్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ది డైరెక్టర్. ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్లారిటీ హీ హ్యాస్ అబౌట్ ఎవ్రీ షాట్ అండ్ యూనో వైల్ మేకింగ్ ద ఫిలిం. ఎక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేదు, విపరీతమైన క్లారిటీ అండ్ హీ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 15 days I think the film is completed. Yeah, 15-20 days. So it's a wonderful film and I am sure that I am going to get a good name for this film. I got huge applause for Mallesham. I acted in Mallesham as hero's father. This is another film which is going to get a wonderful name for me. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So Payal, both the director and Vamshi garu talked about how this film is going to, get people to see you in a different way. Do you feel the same?
ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఫార్మోస్ట్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండ్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ ఈరోజు చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వామ్సీ సార్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ హియర్. ఐ కాల్ యూ మై లక్కీ mascot. Seriously, last time also at the time of Venki Mama Success Meet, you were there. It was a blockbuster of course and this time also you have come, so thank you so much. Next time also you have to come, okay? So let me tell you yaar, let's go back 6 months back. I was sitting at my home and this lockdown and this whole corona COVID started and I was so anxious within and I was just feeling I don't know what is going to happen after 6 months. The theaters are going to be shut and what will happen with my career because it was at peak. So I was really, suffering from that kind of anxiety. I don't know after 6 months I am going to get some good content to play or good movie to play. But finally, with God's grace and thanks to my angels, I got this content to play. And as just now sir said that I'll call you actor rather than a heroine. So I would love to listen that again and again. I want to be Radhika Apte instead of Katrina Kaif. So, this is what. So I just loved that content. इस तरह का content मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं किया. And I was actually waiting for this kind of thing that can break that stereotype kind of image that I'm carrying on my shoulders. So I'm very much sure with this performance, with this kind of content, I'm going to set that benchmark. And I'm excited. This is just a tip of that iceberg. Abhi movie to baki hai mere dost. So yeah, really excited and it was fun working with Chaitanya garu. And of course sir and my mom, and they are like brilliant actors. And now coming to my favorite director, sir, congrats, you're doing debut in Telugu and working under his guidance, I mean I have learned so many things which I can take ahead and use in my future projects. So yeah, he's a brilliant director so far I worked with. So yeah, quite excited for this movie.
So, taking on from that, this is the first time he's making his Telugu debut, but you are making your debut on the digital.
Yeah, this is my debut for digital platform.
So, does it feel different, this whole experience of releasing a film?
See, the charm of theatrical release is always different. An actor always crave for the theatrical release, but this time I'm doing debut for digital, and right now I think people are more inclined towards the digital platform, OTT platform. So I'm kind of same only. The excitement is still same.
But how different? It's different though. I mean, the excitement is same, but the overall experience, I'm sure, is different.
No, we shot in the same manner only, and sir has taken, we have focused a lot on detailing part also for each and every character, for all dialogues. So it's kind of same only, like in every manner.
You tell that I never allowed you to wear the chappal also.
Oh my god, yeah, seriously, it's a completely de-glam role, and he didn't allow me to wear those slippers and just for my walk sake.
The walking should be so natural. So I told her always I used to request her don't use this.
Yeah,